राज्यात घुळी वखदाच्या केशी सापडप्यांचो आंकडो वाडत आसा। हांच्या आड कडक कारवाय करपाक पुलिशेक आपलो पुराय तेंको आसतलो म्हण मंत्री पालेकार उलयला। तशेंच तांणी घुळी वखदांची केशीत आरोप्यांक अटक केल्ल्या खातीर उत्तर गोय एसपी चंदन चौधरीक परबी भेटयल्या। आरडीएक्स गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट।
It is the duty of the officer who have done it very promptly and very correctly, and those who have found these drugs, that has to be listed in the crimes, and government is, our police officials are well enough, and I am monitoring from Russia. Even I spoke to my leader Vijay Sardesai, and he is also advised me to crack down all this which is happening in Sivalim constituency, which is very harmful to our future generations. I congratulate SP Srimati Chandan Chaudhary who have done this great effort, and I am always supporting for my police officials.